What do plants release into the air during photosynthesis? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Helium. D. Smoke. Correct answer is B. Oxygen. Which is the main source of fresh water on Earth? A. Oceans. B. Seas. C. Rain. D. Saltwater lakes. Correct answer C. Rain. Which process turns water into vapor? A. Freezing. B. Melting. C. Evaporation. D. Condensation. Correct answer C. Evaporation. What is the main gas found in the air around us? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer C. Nitrogen. What is the biggest source of energy for life on Earth? A. The moon. B. The clouds. C. The sun. D. The stars. Correct answer C. The sun.